Hello, everybody. This is Garrett with Beauty and the Bead, and this is the Easy Crimp. I think these are amazing. This is just a little bead with a peg in it that you squeeze down. Come on, turn around for us. You just squeeze that peg. This works on fine wire, very fine and medium. So I put the bead on there. I put on my little lobster claw or magnet, whatever you're using. You go back through the bead, back through it. You pull it tight, and then squeeze your pin down. You just squeeze that little pin down. I give it 2 squeezes, make sure it's totally down. And this is the tightest finish that I have found. Just looks like a little bead. They are simply amazing.